Greetings and welcome to Anya Earth. Today's topic, the rising spiral, the evolution of human consciousness in the age of awakening. The growth in human consciousness is a multi-dimensional evolution marked by a shift from a material-based awareness to self-realization, collective empathy, and cosmic intelligence. This awakening is not just psychological, it is energetic, universal, ancestral, reflecting a deeper remembrance of who we truly are beyond the physical form. Humanity is transitioning from lower consciousness states, fear, control, ego, to higher states, love, intuition, unity. This growth reflects a shift from a survival-based living to a purpose-driven existence. Global challenges like pandemic, climate change, systematic oppressions are not just disruptions but catalysts, triggering deep questioning and collective soul searching. With the rise of spiritual practices, ancestral wisdom, inner work, and plant medicine, humans are reactivating clairvoyant and metaphysical abilities once suppressed by the colonial and industrial systems. While digital advancement is rapid, true growth lies in aligning tech with wisdom, using platforms to spread awareness, connecting souls, and dismantling illusion. Individuals are remembering their true essence, with many identifying not as mere humans, but as embodiments of cosmic forces, water spirits, healers, light carriers, returning to restore balance. The growth of consciousness is not a trend, it is a cosmic calling. The earth is shifting, and so are we. The question is no longer when we awaken, but how deeply we are willing to remember who we truly are, how we are willing to do the inner work. Ise.